The number of Americans getting shots for COVID has dipped below a key benchmark. The average number of vaccinations is now fewer than 1 million per day, compared to more than 3 million less than 2 months ago. More than 138 million Americans, less than 42% of the population, are fully vaccinated. But the large number of unvaccinated Americans is jeopardizing efforts to achieve herd immunity. It's also an issue for one Texas hospital that requires its healthcare workers to get the shots and now faces a lawsuit from workers who say they won't. Janet Shamlian is in Houston. Janet, good morning.
Anthony, good morning. Houston Methodist is a massive hospital system, 8 campuses, 26,000 workers. For more than a decade, they have been requiring their workers to get the flu vaccine. But when they mandated the COVID vaccine, more than 100 employees sued.
Nurse Jennifer Bridges is the lead plaintiff in a lawsuit against her employer of 7 years, Houston's Methodist Hospital, which is requiring all workers to get the COVID vaccine by today or risk losing their jobs.
If we're not comfortable injecting something into our body, do not fire us and make us lose our livelihoods.
Hospital CEO Dr. Mark Boom says 99% of his employees have already been vaccinated and calls the lawsuit nonsense.
We have incredible real-world experience to show that these are safe and effective. We have a sacred responsibility to keep our patients safe.
You have not been vaccinated. Why?
I am not comfortable yet with it at all. There's not enough proper research out yet. It's still in the experimental phase.
But that argument doesn't hold up to the science, says CBS News medical contributor Dr. David Agus.
Experimental means that you do not know if it's safe and you don't know if it works. These are thoroughly tested vaccines that have been shown to stop the virus and are very safe.
While the lawsuit faces an uphill battle, one part of the complaint could prove convincing, according to CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman.
Their point is that these vaccines only have been issued for emergency use only. The court could issue an injunction and really basically say, well, you can't fire these employees yet, at least until we know if the FDA is going to grant approval. But it would be a different lawsuit if the FDA gives full approval.
But even approval might not convince everyone.
If the vaccine received full FDA approval, would you get vaccinated?
Not anytime soon.
Pfizer and Moderna have already applied for full FDA approval. Here at Methodist, workers who are unvaccinated by midnight will be placed on an unpaid 2-week suspension and then likely lose their jobs after that time. Gayle?
All right, Janet, thank you very much.